What a lot of people don't realize about block printing is that there are actually 3 different types of blocks. The first block is called the good. This is used for the background of the print, where you're covering a lot of the fabric with color. The second type of block is called a rake. This block, you're getting all the really fine details. Generally, there's only 1 rake block in a print, but sometimes there can be 2. And the last type of block is called the dada. This is basically all the other colors of the print. There could be 3 or even 4 of these. And you place the block here, here, yep.
Yeah.
And give it a pound, lift it up, and this is our good, which will be the entire background. So one of the hardest parts about block printing, see, only 1 dip this time, is getting everything aligned. And I'm actually really horrible at it. When you see videos of block printers, they make it look really easy, and it's definitely not. So I'm gonna do 1 more row, just so you can see how the top aligns. Oh boy, it's a lot of pressure to get it just right. Because
good match.
Thank you. Once you mess it up, that's it, you're done. There's no redos in block printing. All right. 1 more. Hopefully, I know.
That's the giant.
Maybe this one will be better. All right. I hold my breath when I do it because I get so nervous. This is a little behind the scenes. We actually have to wait 10 to 15 minutes for every layer of color to dry. But thanks to our movie magic, we can just cut to the next step.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
All right. Now I am printing the rake. It's not that great. It's the first one. We had a little trouble with me figuring out how to align it, but hopefully the second one will be better. So it's getting even harder
this is
to
the
align
mistake
it.
of the habitual.
You have to
You are not habitual, so printing is not here. Here.
more pressure.
More pressure.
1 or 2.
1 or 2. Okay. Let's try again. This is gonna be. I did 2. All right.
You are at 10.
All
Now it is
right.
better.
It's looking better. Looking better. All right. So, yeah, this is super hard, in my opinion.
Objectively, it's very hard.
Very good printer.
Yeah, she's very good.
You can see with this print, you've got all the really fine details here.
Master G.
All right. Step 3, this is the dada block. We're gonna use a blue. No?
Okay.
Okay, it looks all right.
Okay.
That's pretty
This is
off.
a little bit out.
Out.
See, it's getting harder and harder as we add more layers to align everything. Okay. The 2 corners, yeah?
Oh. Okay.
All right,
Okay.
that looks better.
Okay.
I don't know about that one. One more.
It's a little out.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So after this,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
going to be steamed, and the color is going to start to pop, and this yellow is actually going to turn to white.